Te Haerenga a Uetapu me Kahupeka. This is the kōrero of Raukawa tūpuna Uetapu and Kahupeka. Like most oral histories, there are variations to different kōrero, and this is but one of those kōrero as described by Raukawa historian and Kaumātua Nigel te Hiko following his research during the treaty settlement process. Now Uetapu was the son of Matai Tāngata Rau. Matai was the firstborn tūpuna of Tainui descent in Aotearoa. The wife of Uetapu Kahupeka was the descendant of Rakataura and Kahukeke. Uetapu and Kahupeka, like their tūpuna Rakataura and Kahukeke before them, were also explorers. After leaving the confines of Kawhia, the pair would also follow a similar route as their tūpuna, heading east towards the central North Island. First stopping at Matai Rautahi before venturing on to Hauturu. From here the pair would venture further east still, arriving at the Waikato River. Their rōpū would follow the flow of the river, up past Waipapa, and eventually come to a pā on the western banks. It is here that they would establish themselves, and the pā would become known as Matai Kata. They would then continue their journey north, eventually to Maunga Tautari. But it was the establishment of the pā Matai Kata that would set the foundations to Raukawa kaitiakitanga of the Waikato River.